We are thrilled to share with you how our customers could, can and will in the future also continue to digitalize their sales process with our standard sales platform that is fully dedicated to the manufacturing industry.
You should minimize the cost, standardize as much as possible in your operations process, but also in the sales process, and maintain highest efficiency as possible.
So I can simply select, for instance, first the work centers, which are machines and activities. Here I see the markup column, so I could mark up the whole project, let's say by 20%. Now let's see what all we created in ERP. In the component overview, we see again our bill of material, and in the operation overview, we see our 2 work centers.
So at the end, you are able to execute your project on time and on budget. Last, let's have a look on the customer journey for mass production. On the right of the schema, you see the final cost summary, and in the middle, the calculation flow. In the costing model, you can set essential input parameters such as the plant, the minimum order quantity, the machine to be used for the molding, the cavity, which is the number of items produced in one cycle, and the cycle times, as well as efficiency and loss. As a final step, we create a material similar as before, after, of course, the customer agreed, and we can release this to the product catalog so that it's available to the customer for any further process.
Features, functions, all is nice. The software is obviously really great, but what does it really in the end bring you?